PTEN readers. John here from Baumgardt's Auto Repair. Today I'm going to tell you about some new headlamps that I've been working with recently. They are made by Ledlenser, and I've been working with an HF4R Work, HF6R Work, and HF8R Work. And I'm here to tell you that they work. They are all three waterproof and dustproof, so I guess they were built for work. But one other function that I've not seen on any other headlamp is a transportation lock. There's been several times that I can think of where I've thrown a tool bag together to go out and help a friend in the middle of the night that's broken down, and inadvertently the button gets pushed or the switch gets turned on for the headlamp, and when I get there it's almost dead or dead. So being able to have this function will definitely help in that department, so that's pretty important to me. They've got really bright white. It's a 5000K color, so it's a nice neutral color, so that you're not getting a lot of distortion when you're looking at something. The 6R, you're able to actually adjust the focus on it. All three of them come with a hard hat mount. They are easily changed from the head strap to the hard hat mount. All you've got to do that is tilt it, because of course you got your tilt function, but you just tilt a little bit more and it will pop off. Here is your 4R mounted in the headlamp bracket for the hard hat, so you don't lose any of your tilt function. Then when you want to go back to your head strap, you just tilt it the same way to get it off there. Grab your head strap, line up a couple pins on each side, and there it is. You got your headlamp on your strap again. The 6R and the 8R come with wall mounts. The 4R does not have a wall mount. It has a magnet that connects the cable to it. The other end of the cable is a Type C. So whatever charger you've got, you have to have a Type C. All three of these use the magnet mount, so you can use just the magnet mount, or you can take your cable and snap it into your wall mount, and if you don't want to use it on the wall, you can still use it here. Before I snap it into place, let me turn it on. You can see that it does have a battery. Let me get this light off here. It does have a battery charge indicator, and it's only on for just a few seconds, just so you can tell what kind of charge you got. But to put it in your charge base, you can just shove it in there at the top, pull down. Well, I guess it helps if I grab the right one here, because the 6R and the 8R, they have their own charge base. The 6R and the 8R, you can't swap the bases around. So, but I will use it like this so that I don't have to worry about something knocking the cord off, because the magnet mounts, they're not really real strong on anything that charges with a magnet mount. So I want a good solid connection. So I mentioned that all three of the headlamps did come with the hard hat adapters. The 8R comes with a different hard hat adapter that connects to the hard hats that have got the slots in the side. But if you want to have your headlamp at the front, it comes with the one that sticks to the front, just like what I showed you there with the 4R. And it will disconnect just a little bit different. Slides off to the side. And so you could have a different helmet with the other mount. And this is the 8R. So you use the same bracket here, and it comes off the same way. You just tilt it and pull it. So then you can grab your head strap, line up your pins, and you're all set with your head strap. The 8R is definitely heavier than the 4 or 6, but with the overhead strap, it carries the weight quite well. The 8R has a function, or a couple of functions, that will dim and that will let it dim and focus automatically. And Ledlenser says that it's truly hands-free. It's a truly hands-free headlamp, and I would have to agree. It takes some space to do it, so it does not. It doesn't exactly perform well if we're under a hood or underneath the car. At least those functions, but it does do exceptionally well if you're just using the high, medium, low. Again, it can focus automatically. It can focus manually like the 6R. It is really neat how the dim and focus deals work. And it's got more functions that you can't get it to do with just the headlamp. There's an app you can download that will open up more functions. It will flash SOS, and there's a couple other functions that I can't think of right now. And you can actually set programs to do certain things if you pay for the upgraded app. That I think it's like $8 or $9 on Apple. I haven't done that yet, but all three of them have like a cooling technology so that it doesn't get really, really hot. You still do get some heat up right on the LEDs, because the intensity, it's going to get hot, and we all know that. But it's all three of these headlamps are exceptional. I recommend any of them. There's yeah, I can't really say enough good things about them. I wish that the 4R had a wall adapter, but really that's it. You know, they are some really good headlamps, and they have a 7-year warranty. So if you get one, or I should say when you get one, make sure you get it registered, and you'll be all set. So I appreciate your time listening, and have a good day.